Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. And today we're talking about some of our favorite fitness products. And so I'm going to give a shout out to my favorite running shoe, the Nike Downshifter. You guys, this is the most comfortable running shoe that I've ever worn. It's something that I keep coming back to and buying over and over again because I just haven't found one that I like better. Luckily, they come in a lot of different colors and styles, so you can always keep it fresh and new and find something that works with your style. Not only is this comfortable for running, it's also great for just weightlifting, HIIT classes, just bouncing around town, walking the dog, whatever you gotta do, this is a really comfortable shoe. I find I have pretty weak arches, so sometimes finding a running shoe that I really like is difficult, and this is one that I love and I find to be really comfortable. It's also super lightweight. The fabric is crazy breathable. Like the mesh it starts at the heel and it goes all the way around, and it's just great if you like to run outside, if you're in a hot climate, if you are like me, and this is embarrassing to admit, but you just have sweaty feet, you want that extra breathability. The Downshifter is a great shoe for that. I also have my feet are on the wider side, and I found that these are a great shoe for that, even without necessarily getting them like specifically in a wide side. They are just roomy and comfortable, even if you have a wide foot. So that's something to keep in mind, that these are probably gonna work for you and you're gonna love them just like I do and think they're really comfortable. So you guys go ahead and put these in your cart. You're gonna be really happy with them.